The war, 15 days on, and it's only escalating in the Middle East. In fact, the IRGC, Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, has claimed a major psychological and military victory. In a statement released earlier today, the IRGC Navy asserted that its ballistic missiles and drones successfully struck the USS Abraham Lincoln aircraft carrier in the Sea of Oman. According to Iranian state media Press TV, IRGC claims the nuclear-powered vessel sustained significant damage and was forced to retreat from regional waters at high speed. IRGC has characterized the precision operation as a direct response to the ongoing US-led campaign against Iranian infrastructure. Washington, however, has flatly denied Iranian claims. US Central Command, the CENTCOM, released a statement today asserting that the USS Abraham Lincoln carrier strike, the group remains fully operational, continues to support Operation Epic Fury. While denying a direct hit, US officials confirmed to CBS News that a serious maritime encounter did occur. According to the report, an Iranian vessel approached the carrier strike group too closely, prompting a US destroyer to fire its Mark 45 naval gun. When the initial shots missed, a US helicopter launched two Hellfire missiles, successfully striking and neutralizing the Iranian vessel. In fact, the Pentagon dismissed the IRGC's claims of damage as purely propaganda. In a separate incident in the Red Sea, the USS Gerald R. Ford, the world's most advanced aircraft carrier, suffered a fire on board Thursday. The US military confirmed that the blaze broke out in the ship's main laundry area and was not combat related. While the fire was quickly contained, 2 American sailors sustained non-life-threatening injuries and are currently in stable condition. CENTCOM has emphasized that there was no damage to the ship's propulsion plant or combat systems, and the carrier remains on station. Well, the naval tension comes as the joint US-Israeli air campaign dubbed Operation Epic Fury intensifies. Reports from Tehran today indicate the fresh waves of airstrikes have targeted IRGC command and control centers in Ahvaz and weapons storage facilities in Shiraz. Oil prices remaining at record high and the Strait of Hormuz effectively a war zone now. Humanitarian toll is mounting. In Geneva, WHO warned that black rain, soot-filled toxic precipitation from burning oil refineries is now falling across Iranian capital, posing serious respiratory threat to millions of them in Iran.